Hey all, welcome back to my channel. I cannot believe we are finally done with building of this home. It's been a long journey, like a 5-year journey that I've been building this home. But I'm so happy that we're finally at this stage. To my subscribers who've been waiting patiently, I appreciate you and I'm so glad that you stayed with me. To the new people, welcome to my channel and I hope you enjoy. We have a lot more that's coming, but today it is about the reveal, the final reveal, okay? So to those who don't know me, I am MamaDee. I am a South African living in America for the last 27 years, and I've decided to come and build my home in the Eastern Cape, in the village, in South Africa. And today I'm going to take you all to the journey that so many of my people, I call them my people because they've been with me patiently waiting, okay? I just want to thank you guys so much and I truly appreciate it. So we're gonna get started. So today it's raining. Previously when I've done this vlog, it's been hot outside, but today it's raining, which means it's a blessing. First, let's do the outfit check. Okay, so I am wearing, oh, I love my shoes. I hope you love my shoes. I'm wearing a dress that was made here in my town, made for me. And it's got like a Xhosa motif to it, and it's red and black, and the shoes just chef's kiss. Okay, let's get started with the vlog. Okay, so we're gonna start here in the entry. So this is my farmhouse table here. So I love an entry table, okay? Because an entry table welcomes you and I can drop my keys, so I had to have one. And to honor my mother, because I'm her baby, I'm the last one in my family, this is her statue. So I wanted it to welcome me. I always feel like she was trying to tell the world that this is me. So I'm so happy about that. And yeah, that's the main important thing. And here, as we continue with the vlog, we have a bench. So one of the things that I want you guys to know is that my house, I have a thread color, okay? And that thread color is green. You're gonna see it in every room. And this is we have green little D over there, and we have green here. And I love this bench. So what I've tried to do, so that my house doesn't feel like, you know, like all brand new, I've mixed a lot of old with the new and custom pieces as well. But this bench here, I just got these beautiful pillows. You guys need to comment and let me know what you love about, you know, everything that you're seeing. And those who have pointers for me for next time, I'd appreciate it. But I love this because these are all earth tones here. So this bench is so nice, and I decided to have this bench because I wanted to be able to welcome my visitors that are here temporarily. So like kind of like I'm here as a neighbor looking for, you know, salt. But I love this bench. It's so comfortable. And Emilia is already tested my patience by eating here. This is not for eating, it's just for waiting. Okay, so this is the waiting room. And then here in this, I'm learning to love it. Okay, this is going to have family. The reason why I wanted to have this, I wanted to have all our family tree. Like, you know, like the grandparents' photos, the parents' photos, everyone that, you know, like is in our lineage is going to be here. So right now it's temporary, and I tried to use a lot of used stuff. Like I got most of the decor like a secondhand, and then I have my mom's brasso and my graduation picture, but ultimately we're going to update all of this, okay? So before we go on, and Emsa, show them the entire here, the entire entry. So I did a double volume entry because I wanted the house to feel spacious, to feel, you know, like really like grand when you come in. And as you can see, the grand staircase here, really like very wide open, which is absolute. I love that, absolutely. So now we're gonna come into the formal living room. So we had to turn on the lights, by the way, because it's absolutely gloomy outside. But we have to do this video because guess what? I'm going back to America tomorrow. So when you see this video, I'll be in America or already back. But anyway, but let's come in and talk about this room, okay? So this is the formal living room. A formal living room in America is, again, a room where you welcome your guests that are not immediate family. They hang out here and you can bring them tea. We have this huge coffee table here. It's going to be replaced by a round one. I've already bought it, but it won't be delivered until, you know, it's going to be a while before it's delivered. But this is too big for this space, so I just got a round one so that people can move easily. But let's come close here. Look at this couch. Like literally, I'm in love, okay, with this couch here. It's a Chesterfield. It's a Chesterfield, and look at this. I love these patterned pillows here that I got from Craft. All my pillows, by the way, are from Craft. I have other ones that I will do an updated video later on, but this just, I mean, works. And then I bought this at a consignment store, this art piece here. You guys remember it probably over a year ago. And then I don't have lighting and I don't have curtains. That's totally fine. And then I have this here, this buffet here. Again, this is to allow my visitors, when they come in, we can serve them drinks here and use this. That's why I chose to have a quartz stone as a top. And then I love this mirror. It just adds so much, you know, like detail to the room because it's got that, you know, arched scalloped top. And the black is, oh, by the way, I forgot, black is the accent color in this house, okay? So it's green. So we're using a lot of black, you know, like in my decor, but look at that. And then let me sit down before we go. So as I said, this is the room where my visitors will come in and hang out. And then we have those two chairs here, which I absolutely love. So I tried to make this room be like leather because I wanted to make sure that I don't have to worry too much about the fabric and everything. But I absolutely love this room. It turned out beautifully. Okay, so next we're going to the, oh my gosh. Let's start with the guest bedroom. You already can see a little bit, right? Right? But hold on. Do not move. Do not skip anything, okay? So let's start with the guest bath, okay? So this is the guest bath here. And whoa, look at that. So this is the guest bath. I call it the guest bath because originally this was the bathroom that my mother was going to use because I built a room next door. That's a guest bedroom. And I wanted my mom to use this room. You know, she could be able to wheel, that's why it's so big, by the way, wheel herself in if she needs to, or she could be taken into this room and be able, you know, like to use it and be comfortable. But I absolutely love this. So for this bathroom, I have mostly gold fixtures. By the way, you can mix metals. You don't have to use the same color. Like for instance, I have black there. With that lighting there. By the way, I brought that with me from America. I have that lighting there, and I have gold finishes for the faucet and the shower. And I'm going to add a black bar here to add more black, but the doors are all black. Oh, we painted all the doors, by the way. And then I have this cabinet. Again, the goal here was so that, you know, like if my mom is older and she needs to have, you know, like space for stuff and all of that, we could have all of that. But another thing I wanted to point out with this bathroom, by the way, is this here. What do you call this? I don't even know what to call it, but you know, everyone has it. But basically, I love this, and I went with gold, which makes it look so elegant. And then I have, obviously, the mirror. We have just finished the guest part of this home, okay? Our guests have a place to wait while we are figuring things out, and we have a place for them to sit if we need to serve them.